In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track keywords ranking and monitor them effectively using Ubersuggest. Understanding how your keywords perform is crucial to driving more traffic to your website and ultimately achieving your digital marketing goals. So let's dive right in. First, head over to neilpatel.com/Ubersuggest and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once you're logged in, we're going to set up a new project which will help you organize and track the performance of your keywords. Next, click on the Add Project button. In the form that appears, enter your website's URL and domain name. It's important to get this step right, as it ensures that Ubersuggest tracks all the relevant data for your specific website. Additionally, you'll be asked to select your target country or region, the area where you aim to rank higher in search results. Make sure to choose the location that aligns with your business strategy. Once your project is all set up, the next step is to add the keywords you want to track. In the left-hand menu, click on Rank Tracking, and then look for the Add Keywords button. Here, you can type or paste the list of keywords you're hoping to monitor. For example, you might add phrases like digital marketing tips or best SEO tools. After adding your keywords, be sure to hit Save to ensure they are all set for tracking. With your keywords now added, Ubersuggest will begin generating insights. You'll be able to see your current rank, which is essentially your position in Google's search results for each particular keyword. The tool also provides you with information about any changes in ranking, showing whether your position has moved up or down. Moreover, you'll get data on search volume, which tells you how often people are searching for those keywords, as well as estimated traffic figures that show potential visitors your site might get if it ranks at the top. One of the neat features of Ubersuggest is the ability to filter your results by device, such as desktop or mobile, and by country. This helps in understanding user behavior and tailoring your SEO efforts according to various platforms and regions. It's important to monitor these metrics over time, so make a habit of checking back regularly. Keeping an eye on your keyword performance will allow you to adjust your SEO strategy effectively. If some keywords are dropping in rank, consider updating those pages. Likewise, build on the keywords that are gaining traction with your audience. Lastly, if you want to keep a detailed record or share your keyword performance data, Ubersuggest offers an option to export your ranking report. Simply click on the Export to CSV button for easy download and sharing. This can be particularly useful for reporting purposes or further analysis in spreadsheet applications. That's all for today. Keep tracking those keywords, make informed decisions, and watch your site's visibility grow. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.